Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Saleh with me today. One of our students was aiming for 7 each, has really worked hard for it, and has now got 7 each and 491 in white as well. Congratulations, Saleh, very well done.
Thank you.
Saleh, I remember you have worked hard. You spent a lot of time in the lab as well. You were struggling a bit with your speaking and reading. This is the first time you followed the new strategies and it has done wonders. What was your experience and what do you think is important for the exam?
See, like I was struggling with read aloud because I was hesitating. So every time I was missing for 1 or 2 marks.
Yep.
And then when you the told me the new strategy,
Yep.
then after listening the strategy, they said I can get it now because
Yeah.
I knew that I can manage the what is called the repeat sentence,
Yep.
dictation, and fill in the blanks.
Yep. Yep.
Only I was struggling with read aloud.
Yes.
And then I got my result in 16th of August. On the same day I lodged my UI, and next day I got my invitation. And I did I didn't get much time to think about it.
Yes. 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 See, this is what happens when you work hard, right? You worked hard. There were few attempts before as well where you missed out.
Yes.
There was an option, you had an option that you could either stop taking the exam, but you did not. You went on, and as soon as you got your score, the next day you got your invite. That is something you all should be motivated about. You all should have that thing in mind. This particular thing, that yes, as soon as you crack your exam, there are very high chances you get your invite as well. Slay, you have been to the lab sessions. You have taken a lot of mock tests. How important are mock tests?
It's very important because then you can find out your weak points, and if you get regular feedback from the instructor or tutor, then you can work on it.
Yeah.
That's what I did. I used to go to the lab for 4 5 days a week.
Yep.
Even after finishing my job, I used
Yes.
to go to the
Yes.
CBT branch.
Yep. 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 See, that is something which is required, because if we think that I'll just go to lab a few days, 1 or 2 days, and I'll get the score, that's not going to
No,
happen.
no.
You have to make sure you sit there, you practice, you take regular feedback, and you will get there slowly and steadily. It's not that you come to me, I'll just tell you one thing, and next day you'll get the score.
No.
You have to improve, you have to work on your skills, and you have to take regular feedback. Congratulations once again, and all the very best. Lay.
Thank you.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure, if he has done it, if he has got his invite, you can do it as well. You need to make sure you do as much as you can, and then leave the rest on the situation. That's it. If he has done it, if I have done it, thousands of students are doing it every day. You can do it as well. Make sure you don't give up. Work hard in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.